A lot of people are afraid when it comes to the cleaning of the leather interior. So instead of using a leather cleaner, they tend to use like leather milk or any other sealings. But that would be like cleaning yourself doing a shower with body milk only. Won't make any sense. Using leather cleaner from SWISSVAX, you nearly cannot do any harm to the leather interior. So cleaning the interior with SWISSVAX leather cleaner is really, really easy. You only have to use the leather cleaner and the brush. So you just have to spray in the product into the brush, shake the bottle before use, and then apply the product into the leather. And afterwards, just wipe it off very easy in one direction, not do back and forth because you will put the dirt back into the leather. Afterwards, you can use leather milk, leather fat, or sealing, so you don't get any dirt back into the leather. It seals the leather and keeps it in perfect condition.